mo bi akwa baba video imo video we because about video we part 2 of if statement na ye kai. The previous video on kasa about if statement how we declare condition wa check it say condition is true then in C say condition is false then in C, right? You draw long code, but this video but show how about show if statement in a short way, right? A form of shorthand if statement, right? See how about your if statement using just a single line of code. Now they declare who condition, and as a value need true what should happen, and as a value need false so what should happen, right? See so shorthand we normally a form of ternary operator, right? Ternary operators. The if I say if I say you check whether according to someone's age, or a minor and also a adult, you're saying using the shorthand if statement, right? The first thing I'll say a store user and age, right? Until let's say int age is assigned, let's say 20, right? See, your store user and age anywhere, then your person who saw or a minor and also an adult. This minor and adult no, a string, right? And the string in a store. See, they be declare a variable using the string data type, right? Near declare condition. Into which has here condition a first. We are now the question mark sign number. Say a true what should happen and we are now the column. Say a false on so what should happen, right? See, let's say age is equal to 20. Nti best store minor or adult no use to be a status. So let's say status string status is equal to not equal to assign rather, right? It's assign near the way yaba, right? So let me copy this one. Me copy and on me find to as well as if you any changes in one side, right? We are quite a blueprint. Condition is then the chase will be a adult, then the chase will be a minor, right? If I say Ghana, if I say 18, right? You say anybody greater than or equal to 18 or your adult, or you're less than 18 or you're minor, right? Nti condition in between age greater than or equal to 18, right? Nti say condition we true what should happen first? Nti ebetimi atwo ha say bia a string nti yɛde bɛhyɛ double quote, right? Maybe a nipa no yɛ adult. Sɛ condition yɛ false akɔyɛ sɛ else what should happen? Nipa no yɛ minor nti terminate this na yɛde ahyɛ minor, right? Nti it will first check, is this condition true according to the person's age? Yes, condition is true. Then I will print adult, right? Or checking as a condition here false, what print minor. Oh, minor is this. Okay, right? So now if I see out status, let's see what will happen, right? So me one is status, then we should get adult, right? We are getting adult because the condition here is true, right? We are getting adult. So we are getting adult because the condition here is what? True. So me change the age, let's say 10. Or check a condition now. This condition will be false because 10 is not greater than or equal to 18. So we will get minor. So let me print this. Right? We are getting minor. It's a very shorthand if statement. Just one line of code. Right? Just one line of code. You declare if statement and else if linear right? If age is greater than or equal to 18, print this, else see out this, right? You're framing so shorthand if statement, right? Super, you enter another example with odd numbers and even numbers, right? So I'm gonna clean this one. Okay, let's store a number, right? Let's say num is equal to let's say 7, right? yɛpɛ sɛ yɛkyɛke sɛ number no yɛ odd number anaasɛ yɛ even number. Yɛbɛtumi akyɛke nso a ɔwɔ sɛ yɛfind number ne sɛ number no 2 bɛkɔ mu, na sɛ 2 kɔ mu a ɛbɛka remainder 1 anaa, right? Nti yɛbɛuse modulo. Nti we will declare another string. Okay, let's say string result is assigned, then we bring this one here, right? Which match on one. I just want to paste it. So we bring our condition. Condition in say open say who say number near even or say number no 2 comma and say remainder catchy. Say order 2 comma remainder by the catchy, right? So condition here norm modulo base percentage sign modulo 2 should be equal to 0, right? So 2 divided number now or see in 0. Say in 0, it means a number near odd, right? It's a 2 come na say remainder near 0. Your person into say number near even. So we just do even here. So 2 come na say remainder neka 1, it means say number near odd, right? So we do something like this. And see if I see out results, right? Let's see what will happen. So here will be 7. 7 modulo 2. There will definitely be a remainder of 1, right? So this one will print odd. So let's see. Okay, what's happening? Okay, so this one we are using the assignment operator instead of equal to. So double equal to. Let's go. Okay, we are getting odd, right? Because 7 modulo 2 is 1. It will not be equal to 0, right? So if I made this one, let's say 6, the answer that I will get to be what? Even, right? Because 6 modulo 2, the result will be 0. So in fancy way, right? We are getting even. It means a shorthand use statement. So also use that one too is acceptable, right? All right. Thanks for watching. In the next video, you better maybe loop, either while loop or for loop, right? You better also has an LC++. And then your first time, subscribe. See you again in the next video.